guys, Dr. Rodman of Sports Chiropractic. I'm hopefully going to teach you how to make $100 today. And what I mean by that is this past week we were fundraising for our Wiffle Blast tournament, and we were at an event and they had hang on a pull-up bar for 100 seconds and you get $100. And really haven't tried that too often, but I figured we'd give it a try. And the first thing I noticed is the bar started to rotate. So I knew I was in a little bit of trouble. I thought I could do it, but that was kind of new for me. So you'll see the video here, I ended up falling in about 60 seconds, not because my hands were tired, but I was started to slip and I tried to re-grip. So that's a no-no. But then throughout the day, we were right next to this booth and we saw people that actually were doing it. And we found a trick that they were doing, and when they started to get to about the 60-second mark, they started to get their biceps involved, and even if they weren't tired. So we're gonna test it out on our pull-up rig today, see if this is a good tip for you guys, if it actually does work, and if it does work, hopefully make you $100 richer next time you see this at an event. So here we go. If possible, I saw people chalking their hands up too. We didn't have chalk, but that's probably a good thing. And here we go. We're gonna time lapse this a little bit so you have to see me the whole time, but gonna get ready. And Ricky, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. So just let me know when it's at a minute. The chalk would be nice.
30 seconds now.
Ah, 15 seconds. So it does help, but obviously I'm not very good at this. So getting the biceps involved is good. I think the chalk on my hands would have been great because I felt like I was slipping a lot. So, I don't know if I'll make you $100 richer, but definitely bring chalk, try getting the biceps involved, and maybe that'll work. And I'll keep practicing. Hey everybody, Dr. Rodman here, round 2 of trying to hang for 100 seconds. So obviously I didn't do it last time, and I felt like I was slipping a lot. So I remember being out at that event, I saw somebody bringing some chalk. I didn't have chalk, but I had some Gold Bond at home, and I brought it in, and gonna Gold Bond my hands to see if that will help. So here's our next of our experiment. Will this help me reach the 100 seconds? So I'm gonna try it out. I feel like LeBron right now. So just putting on a good amount of that there. Lather it in a little bit. So I'm just drying out the hands. Gonna need all I can get, so let's do another round of that. And if I don't get this, then I will officially quit hanging forever. But let's see, one good try with the Gold Bond in hands. It's got Dr. Ricky on the clock here. And you guys ready for me?
Yes.
Try to get 100 seconds. All right, here goes nothing. Ready? Go. Lori, talk to me.
So, what's for dinner tonight? No, that's not a good conversation for hanging.
I'm not gonna talk back, just tell me a story.
So there was interesting news today. It's very cold up in New York. We're probably the warmest city in the country. Warmest state, maybe.
Ricky, just let me know when I'm at 60.
Okay. 40 now.
And what else? Well, I don't know. We're collecting a lot of Band-Aids.
60.
Ricky, tell me when I'm at 84.
Where did you send the request
84. Ten more seconds. 4 seconds.
Yeah.
100.
Ay, ay, ay.
So, if I was in an event, I would have just won $100. So the trick is definitely the chalk. I mean, I wasn't slipping, or the gold bond in this case, or Lori was talking to me, and it kept my mind thinking about what she was talking about. So, hope this video is somehow useful to you. If you're at a festival, carnival, and they have the $100 hang for 100 seconds, bring your chalk with you just in case. And definitely, when I was getting a little bit fatigued, bending the arms the last 15 seconds really helped me to take some load off of the forearms, place it onto the biceps, and I think that really helped because at that point I was shaking, and I'm just really excited I got it. So hopefully this video will help you as well. Win $100, let me know.